Come with me to try Haitian food for the first time. So today I'm dining at Haitian Style Cuisine in downtown Albertville. I love that they let their culture shine through in decorating. The service was absolutely amazing. She brought me out this passion fruit juice for free and it was so delicious. I also ate that whole salad, which was a mistake because I had no idea how much food was coming for me. Like, look at all of this. I was getting my money's worth. I ordered griot plate completed, which I guess means it comes with all these sides, and griot is pork, as I learned. That's plantain. It was amazing. You'll learn later. The pork was crispy on the outside and melted in your mouth at the same time. I have no idea how they did that, but it was delicious. It came with this little broth, and I'm not sure if it was supposed to be dipped or if you were supposed to just drink it, but either way, it was so good. A flavor I've never experienced before. It had a nice little kick, and this rice, I don't even know how to begin describing it. It was almost like a seafood flavor. And then this was my favorite part of the whole meal. It was fried plantains. Oh my goodness. This is how much I still had to bring home and enjoy later.